introduce the video? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Alright, so what we got going on today is we're going to come back here. I'm going to have to put some air in the tires because they're a little low. But anyway, look what we got. Look what we got. Look at that dumpy. She got a big plow. But anyway, the main attraction. So I was digging this out here. And look at all the topsoil I got. Lots and lots and lots of topsoils. Lots and lots and lots and whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, anyway, we're digging this out. I'm gonna fill it back in with sand. Gotta hang this here gate, straighten that gate out. Josh! Okay, so basically, Monday morning, I have Triaxles are going to be coming in and out of here all day long because I need to put a whole bunch of dirt here, and this entire area here is going to be level. That's all topsoil I scraped off here. I'm pretty much down to almost sand. There's still some topsoil here. I don't want to strip it out all the way because underneath is still kind of squishy because we have really high water table here. So yeah, we're building a nursery, kind of, you know, mulch and things like that. And so I had to move the horses and everything from here to out over there because they're kind of in my way. Anyway, this is going to be all filled with sand, so it's not so mucky and muddy anymore. Because right there is where the horses go around and then they go into the barn. But there will be no more muck there anymore. It'll be just sand from here over. This whole area will be sand. So my project is to take that gate down, well, not take the gate down, put, hang that metal gate right there basically, put a post in the ground. That metal gate I gotta reattach. That project right there is for later on. We're gonna put an addition on the barn, so, which I still haven't done yet because winter came real quick. But anyway, yeah, so I just gotta get to this, clean this shit up, get it out of the way so when the sand gets dropped here, I can push it over there. So yeah, let's get to doing something. All right, we're just gonna move this thing out of the way for now. Okay, so now we gotta hook up the post hole digger so we can dig some holes to put the posts in for those gates. So we're gonna actually go over here and get this little tractor. Oh man, she's talking on video. I'm videoing you and talking on it, you know. So here's the post hole digger. So here's the post hole digger. And that's the sander that we got for the that's the sander we got for Dumpy, and that big old plow right there is what came on Dumpy too. So anyway, Dumpy, hot, no pun intended. So we're gonna put this on that old girl. Yeah, let me set the camera up. I'm hooking up the post hole digger to the tractor. Oh, all right. I don't think she's gonna start.
Let me know if your dad pulled in.
All right, she probably needs some ether, so I gotta get some ether and then go start it again. All right, let's try this again. Alright, we're back for another part of the episode. Alright, Peter, we're gonna take this. Actually, take this little one. Fuck it, take the big one. Put it right here. I'm gonna take the bucket and we'll push it with the bucket.
No, the big square one, Peter.
Yeah, Peter, the little one. Grab the smallest one and put it in that hole.
I pointed at that
We're gonna
one.
hang the gate on that small one.
I pointed at this one.
Peter, here, camera.
Okay. That's fine. Doesn't change the fact that I pointed at that one now.
Careful, there's barbed wire on there, buddy. Buddy, old pal, I'm getting bad with the camera work here. Peter. Cheese and rice.
You went that way.
You're throwing it to China?
Try to fucking kill me. Put
You
that
gotta
on
be-
there. Put that on film.
I'm gonna. Fucking Peter.
It's fine. It went that way. He was over here.
Peter's in jail. Why? Yeah, killed the old man.
Straighten the pole off, please. No, twist it. Man, you got a crooked eye.
It's square with
This,
that.
this way. This way. Push it this way. Oh.
Oh.
Good Lord.
Fucking
So
Peter.
twist it. Then he said push it that way.
Oh, poor Peter. Alright, let's see if it fits anyway. Yeah. Oh look, Peter's trying to fake like he's been doing something the whole time.
What? You moved, so I started.
Alright, good.
Behind you.
Like a big hole.
Yeah, up from where it is though. Yeah. So we can just kind of, not let it sag the whole time.
Well, we're still gonna have to lock it with a chain or something because Dylan will fuck around with that thing and pull it with his teeth.
Hey, we're out! Hey, figure it out, guys! Peter, you don't have to fucking send it, dude. It's just a little piece of wood. It ain't like you're bolting steel together. Wow!
It's in there.
Everybody, look at this fucking pimple he's got on his nose. Ronald. What?
called being 17.
Whatever. Fucking hole up here, Dad.
I know. Just go above the line.
Right there. That's that good. That hole right there perfectly. Dad, you don't need to. I got the mark. Is that good right there?
That's whatever you want to do, Ronnie. Because if I tell you it's good, you can say, well, you told me it was good. So there. Beautiful.
Fucking mint. Kids could fucking climb over it and whatever the fuck they want to do it because they don't know how to open the shit. Water-headed kids could come over like Peter and jump over the fucking gate, hang on it, swing on it. I'll kill you. Anyway.
Threaten you with a good time.
Alright, so I think that's about it for this episode. Stay tuned for the rest of this, which will probably be in the same video anyway, but whatever. Yeah. Alrighty, so here it is. We got our little gate. And we'll do this one tomorrow. We gotta rehang it on that post. So, you know, these guys have a place to stay nice and... Anyway, this is the shit I gotta get rid of. I'll tell about that post. I might even just take that post out. You guys will see in the next video that I got all that sand coming. And yeah, I'm gonna put all that sand in here. And then way down like right, well actually right there. Right there is where the rest is gonna go because that's where we're gonna build a nursery. Down there. Okie doke.